Typical Friday afternoon on the Middle Ocoee. Alright, so today I'm going to demonstrate some of the fun, easy lines. At least I think they're easy. And I'm probably going to get out of this chaos and watch in the middle of this trip because it feels safer. Okay, so this is what I consider the easy kayak line. It does not involve sneaking in front of Pyramid Rock. That is ridiculous. There's also a lot of sharp rocks hiding there, so don't go over there. Stay nice and chill. I don't necessarily suggest you get in the middle of a raft trip like I did. You got boat control and you pay attention, you'll be fine. So you come here, you go to the right of FU Rock, to the left of White Bay, kind of line up, crash through these little breaking waves and hydraulics and such. And then you come over here, and rather than drop the raft line, which will go well in a kayak, you come over here instead. And then make sure you don't get munched by one of the young guys. It's not their fault. They might lack boat control. And then you do a peel out. Try to stay away from Kevin. If he munches me, it wasn't an accident. You can carve around that hydraulic or punch it. Then, watch out for the crazy guys everywhere. You follow the fun wave train. I do need fun. And he just dropped into the trough and he's offline, so I'm just passing him. And that's basically Grumpies. And North Shore staging Eddy. More or less follow the current. You come over here, kind of hit perpendicular, rafts will hit it sideways. You can stay perpendicular to all the rest. Then avoid the rafts that want to surf staging Eddy unless you want to go under a raft, and by all means get in their way. Alrighty, so here comes Gonzo Shoals. I'm going to show you guys the easy peasy line. This ain't no stick or anything, but this is the classic line. I have plenty of other videos showing lots of cool challenge lines up here if you would like to spice it up, but this one goes. This is also a good line for the Ocoee race. So this is basic kayaking in my opinion. The most important thing here is probably good posture. Very shallow. You guys scrape me at times. It's kind of wimpy hydraulics. Just wear up, take stroke. Then you're gonna come down here toward this big nose rock. And yeah, it's featured in a lot of other videos. And then this rock is your marker sign point downstream. And we're gonna go basically where the rafts go. This is the classic line. You go over that loop, right beside it like that. Choice is yours. Then we're coming down here. This is a double drop. Slowing down a little so I don't overshoot. So it's got down, it's going to boot, and then we're going to come down one more time. Easy peasy. Same as the kayak line. Now we're going to watch it done in a ducky. Emma's taking her spud right down the same line. Very good. Now we're going to continue downstream. This is basically where the rafts go. So if you take these lines, or if you're going to be on the Ocoee, Keep your head on a swivel. Know what's in front of you, beside you, and behind you at all times. Otherwise, you might get munched. And well, Gonzo Shoals is too shallow to run over. It will be painful. Now, see that big flat rock down there? Some people think it's good luck and they touch it. Well, it's not good luck. We just tell all the first year guides that, because if we tell them that, then they won't get lost until they pass it. Once you get past it, the classic line is to work your way back to river right. Super easy. It's easy in a raft even. See a little break wave coming up, that lets you know you're on line. There are some rocks that might mess with you to the left if you don't paddle effectively. All right, so now, this is the classic line and approach to Broken Nose. Kevin's kind of drifting in front of me. I'm gonna try not to run him down. I will diverge from his line. I am going to show you the line I think a first timer should take if they're afraid to go for the 5 classic eddies within Broken Nose proper. We are going to go to the left of the island with scrub growing out of it. Old, assuming this route will let me. If not, I'll just pick another line. But this is part of the Ocoee. You will have slow routes in front of you, and they will be hitting rocks and getting stuck and diverting lines and things. Just the way the Ocoee is. He's taking a weird line because he has light route and thinks he can get away with it. I don't know if he can or not. We'll find out in a moment. Classic little slide here. Putting on the brakes a little to give the raft a little more space. This is the classic line. Now we're coming over. I'm going to work left and try not to hit the other trout. So drop in here. So go to the right of the island. There's an eddy right in front of you that you can catch. And then from this island, we're going to follow the wave train down to Second Healthy. And I don't mean slice and dive. So, I'm following the water. Beware, there are shallow rocks. You want to follow the current and avoid those stuff. Now, work my way back over. I choose to go through Second Helping and use the tongue to launch me onto the fun wave train. Here we go. See the tongue right in front of me. So there you go. That was Broken Nose, including Second Helping. Next up is Slice and Dice. The opening move is Dragon Slayer. It has a great rail slide, unless you're too greedy, in which case it becomes a booth. There are shallow rocks behind it. I don't recommend getting greedy. It's also great practice for Frankenstein on the Green River Narrows because precision matters. Okay, I brake a little, I come, and that's the line I like. And you can skin a gap there just like my friend Emma just did. From here, show you the easy peasy Ocoee light line. We're going to work ourselves left. I'm going to help you bypass wash machine. You can pile right through wash machine. But most first timers don't want to, so I'm showing you an alternate. You make this as technical or as fun as you want. that is slice of ice, and there are a couple of play spots here. I will cover those in a different video. This is like first timers trip vlog today. Coming up, this is Moon Chute. Opening move is the elephant rock. I call the elephant Ganesh, and much like his namesake, he can help or hinder your progress. The kind of choice is yours how you interact with him. So his eddy line will help you make the move. Carving across the eddy line. Now I'm coming down past Buck Crack Rock. And I am working my way. You can hit the tongue or you can hit the breaking wave, it don't matter. I kinda like to work to the right where there's some nice water and some fun little boot moves. Right here, I like to get a nice boot, have fun, get a little, and then out through, break. Yeah, I got a mouthful of water, but out through those breaking waves for best results. Keep out through them, probably won't do a roll there. That said, for the most part, there's enough water to roll there without hitting your head. Double suck. This is the closest to the sneak I'm going to show you. This is the boof line. If you blow the boof, there won't be any consequences. It's no big deal. It's a great place to practice boofing. It's also an easier way to kind of stay out of the way around so while you still stay in the part of the river where there's plenty of water. The puppy chute is ridiculous in my opinion. But if you want to go there, it's in other books and such, and you can find the line. This does intersect with the rafting line for adventurous kayakers. There are also guides, namely myself and a few others. Most of the routes will go to the right, but their line will cross this one. Now, we start focusing on the hump downstream, that is the boot. We want to be to the left side of it, but on the rock. Lefty boot stroke. Boot! That's how you do it. And there you see, you don't have to go over the boot, it'll be just fine. Thank you, Emma. Now we are going to exit double suck and run Hell's Half Mile. All right, here's the entry move. You can either carve this hole into an eddy or carve it and go downstream. We're going to try to go team downstream. Ready for corrective strokes, you can go through curlers like that. And pretty easy peasy. It's called Hell's Half Mile because it's rather long, more than a quarter mile. And well, if you're swimming it, it would seem like it's half mile long. It'd be really brutal. The joke is, it's called this because we want you to know not to swim it. It is shallow. Now, I'm going to show you the fun beginner line here. We're going to carve left. We're not doing the boot. Don't hit that pin rock over there. It's only a pin rock in a raft, but it might be jarring in a kayak. That was super easy, by the way. You're just riding the current right through it. There's no way you're going to get surf there as long as you're paying attention and hitting that line. Now we just follow the water. The goal is not to slam rocks and beat up the plastic through here. Whirl our way down river. This is probably the best part of Hell's Half Mile. Just fluffy goodness. Class-free boogie water. Really fun and easy, mostly easy. Okay, at this point, Hell's Half Mile is transitioning into double trouble. You can run it hot, or you can catch an eddy to the left above the two-way. My goal today is to show you how to run it hot. The left side of the waves are generally more friendly than the right side for first timers. I come over here, this is how I like to run it. Like I said, come over to the right side, not squirrely. I was giggling and drank a little bit of water. It tastes great, by the way. That was actually silly and fun. Anyway, from this eddy you can peel out, or you could have stayed in the current if you wanted. Stay away from that rock that I can see steel sticking out top of. It is undercut. Don't paddle there. Make the peel out. That was a funny photo. So here's the peel out. Point up the stream, paddle, turn, and go. And because there's routes, I'm going to choose to go to the left side of this rock. You go either side. Easy peasy. That's double trouble. Coming up next is left, right, left. By the way, this video is indirectly sponsored by Ocoee Adventure Center. Yes, I did poach a ride on the trip. So this is easy. It's called 99 eddies by most kayakers. There are many slalom moves and eddies you can catch in here. It's a lot of fun. Little rock smear boot. And you can either go through the hole down here or skirt it a little. I'm just going to try to stay out of the way of the raft right now. And I'm going to kind of move on them a little bit because I want to have a little fun and squeeze play. This is the entrance to squeeze play right here. No need to be in a hurry here. There's some really great places to drop sideways through some breaking waves and one rooster tail. Well, set up here. I can't see where I'm going, but I know where I am. Sideways drop. Kind of slide through there. Just don't wait past around. You can alternately flow sideways throughout this entire rapid. Make sure there ain't a raft right behind you while you do it. I'll show you. Super easy and fun. Drifting sideways through this rapid will add confidence and boat control to your quiver. Wave train's the best part. It's so much fun. And now we're about to run flipper. And the best line of flipper is the raft line. It's so much fun. It's so easy, especially in a kayak. If you divert a bit to the right and throw an appropriate sweep stroke, it is really easy to catch the eddy behind flipper rock, although it's a micro eddy. You coming now to the second one. For a first timer, I suggest going over the pyramid rock right here. then crash through the wave, and crash through the next one. And that was Flipper. What a blast. Next up is Hollywood. Easy peasy. There's a lot of lines here, but the classic was just riding the wave train. You can do this sideways, frontwards, backwards, whatever. It's all good, it's fun, no matter what. One way. Some of them are surfable even. This is Hiwassee Shoals. And I don't even know why I'm shooting this video. This is all class 2 read and run. So figure it out. Or watch my rafting videos if you're really curious. This is the entrance to the ledges. The ledges mean Sneaky Pete and Surprise. Directly in front of me is a large tongue named Gene Simmons Tongue. It was named in the 70s when Kiss was really popular. And now we're going to come down here. You might have to negotiate around a raft. I'm going to show you one of the classic kayak lines. This kind of to the right bottom of Sneaky Pete. The raft line will also work. I see my hump. That is my line right through here. Smooth stroke. Now we're coming down here. Today I'm not going to do the double boot. I'm going to come down here and kind of run the rock slide a little bit. Not quite as bumpy as hers, maybe. Almost a rafting line. Maybe a little more rock action. Not much. Plastic line in the kayak through Surprise. There are at least 3 or 4 more ways to do it. If you look through my videos, you'll find them. This is what I consider an opening move table saw. There is a strainer in the breaking wave this week. Hopefully it'll be gone soon, but I'm going to show you how to avoid the breaking wave over to the right, which, considering there's a strainer, is probably a very good idea if it's still here when you come. So I'm lining up, I'm gonna crash through some breaking waves right here. Yep. Coming around, I'm dropping in for some fun on this. Whoa, don't hit that guy. And easy peasy. I didn't even run another kayaker. And I like to feel out down here where it's swirly. Anybody can feel out at the top, it's too easy. Feeling out here reminds me of playing in Ecuador. I kind of like that vibe. I like wide eddy lines and swirly water. Little baby surfs and playing around. So I'm going to go over to the big drop side of Diamond Splitter rather than Witch's Hole. I think it's a good first timer line. It's a lot of fun. Fast. Solid wave train. Western Flyer. Oh, it is? Yeah, it is. Dixie Drive, also known as left or right. There's a map trap in the middle of the river, hiding in a wave and just behind the wave. The dry rock's easy to see. The first half is in the wave, right over there. comes Slingshot, aka Accelerator. I'm just going to show you the simple right down the middle. There are some very cool eddy catches here, and they are the reason why this is known as Slingshot. A lot of fun. There's already videos of that on my YouTube channel. This is just your straightforward, just kind of bomb down and enjoy it. This is Cat's Pajamas. You can sneak this to the far right, but that's pretty boring. Or you can follow the wave train right down to the bottom like the Rouse running. That's okay too. And since those are really easy to see, I'm going to show you the fun line. This will not be skin the cat. This is spook the cat. You don't want to get too greedy on this line. If you do, you'll be alright. Car's back, going for the left shoulder like this. Yeah, that's what I like. That's the water boot. You can go up a little bit higher on the rock. You can really stale it out if you want. Or like that was the tongue boot. Here comes the last hurrah. There is a possibility the hole will be occupied, so I will be keeping my eyes open on the way down and try not to run over any kayakers, innocent or otherwise. Hey, I'm going to show you the line just to the other side. I'm not sure if the hole's going to be occupied. That's how you do it if you don't know the hole's occupied or not. Go about 4 feet over to my right and it would have been a lot more fun. I almost hit one of those kayakers earlier, so I figured they might pull out from me. I didn't want to take chances. I don't want to hurt anybody. That's the mighty Middle Ocoee. This is my beginner's guide. Opinions may vary, but I think these lines are solid. If you want a more exciting adventure down the middle of your first time, hire me for a PI. Check out my website for details.